Remember how Tesla was just going to be the only auto manufacturer that we were going to buy cars from? It was going to be worth $10 trillion, $100 trillion, no limit. Everybody was going to be driving Teslas. Now I see some negative articles. The stock is down. Meet Kevin is shorting Tesla. I kid you not. Interesting how a few months change things, right? And we just shift stupidity from one company to another. Yesterday was Tesla, today it's Nvidia. That's on the upper end, right? And we shift from euphoric stupidity and depression stupidity. It's never going to change. No matter how much information there is, it's never going to change. I mean, Tesla was going to grow at 50% per year, every year, till eternity. So then they ran discounted cash flow analysis, and they could come up with whatever valuation they want. And now I'm seeing the article from Business Insider that says growth company with no growth. Well, you see, that's the thing about growth companies, is that, and this is typical because growth is like heroin for the investment community. As long as something grows, they will pay any price for it. Any price. You can't tell them. You can't tell them it's too expensive, it's unrealistic. If it's growing, priceless. The same thing on the other side. If it's not growing right now, today, 3 inches in front of your face, they just destroy the stock price so much that if the company just shows a little bit of growth, that thing is going to explode like a rocket. And I'm sure you know which company I'm talking about, that right now doesn't show growth, and as a result of this, it's priced for bankruptcy, right? Where Tesla, on the other hand, when it showed growth, it was priced to infinity. And then what happens next? Growth slows. And then what do you have left? If you're pricing a company like Tesla at, 20 times revenues, 100,000 times profits, and then the growth disappears or slows down, and then it has to get re-rated, and re-rated to what? To profitability, and then it's going to trade on some kind of profitability, some kind of multiple on profitability. When you gave it 100 to 1,000 times PE, right? Like then it falls like a rock. And it didn't mean that the company is bad. It didn't mean that the product is bad. It just means that it was priced to infinity just because the heroin addicts got their fix, which was growth. And then when the growth came into question, the stock falls like a rock. But today it's Tesla. Tomorrow it's going to be Nvidia, and it's never going to change. The stupidity is always going to go after growth, and then they're going to put any price on that, no matter what. It doesn't matter. If it's growing, they're going to put unlimited price on it. If it's not growing for too long, they're going to price it as if it was going bankrupt.